Hello, I'm here to show you the latest course wizard. Click More menu, Course Wizard, and you should see a list of courses ranging from easiest to the most difficult one under a series called ERP series. There will be other courses that are non-ERP series, that independent courses, but we'll release them in time. But for today, we have a series of ERP courses from 101 to 114. And you can also see the modules involved for each of the courses. For example, Retail Business 1, we have 4 modules. Retail Business 2, we have 4 modules plus forecast. Retail Business 3, we have 4 modules plus marketing. Now, if we were to teach this, it's now a lot easier now. All you have to do is to click about this course, and there is a very detailed presentation about the course. For example, ERP 101, it's about retail business, and it starts with a very basic explanation of what the product is and the area consumed, the dimension of the product, and then how this dimension affects the space usage. And there's a location, start from a very beginning concept so that all the new learners, you can just walk them through easily. And then you show them all the different modules and the modules involved in this course. Okay? And you tell them that this is the retail course. Sorry, this is the retail location. So where you set up your store, how much space you need based on the information that we have earlier, right? How much space you need, how long is a rental contract, and how many stores do you need to set up. And this is the flow, right? A procurement department send a PO and the vendor send a product. Easy as that. And then you can, how much you to buy, from which vendor, ship to which store, right? It's all under the concept of procure finished goods. And then you can further show them the flow. Then the consumer will buy from your retail store. And then you have optimal selling price, and so on and so on. What are the things that they have to ponder? Okay, and this is called analyzing your sales data. And you move on, then you analyze your financial data from the finance module. What's your sales, what's your expenses, is profitable or not, sales is booked, how expenses are booked. And then you can go on further and show them how to click and so on, how to select and so on. That is if you need to go through the details. Otherwise, I think it's important that the learners understand the flow and what are they supposed to think about and what are they supposed to ponder. Okay? And once you're done with the theory or the introduction, then all you have to do is to run this course. And this is where the wizard will take over. It will set up a course for you, depending on what configuration you like to choose. It's all based on default configuration, right? Then you have these 4, the modules that is being described here. Now, you can notice that when I run this, then these modules are turned on. And then we can set up both the boss, for example, and then set up the holiday. No, we disable the holiday for this particular course. So we disable it. And then we even set up the scoring metrics. This is a recommended scoring metrics setup for you for this particular course. So all you have to do is just click through it. And then we even recommend the maximum day and the seconds per day. And we even do the initialization for you. So now all you have to do is to run this course. Okay, now if you want to check your scoring metrics, it has been set up for you. Now, when you run this course, if you're done with it, then you can move on to the second course. Again, you come here, start with about this course. This is the second course. So you talk about more concept, more flow, and more things to ponder, more things to discuss, and so on. And when you're done with the theory or the introduction, then run this course and let the wizard take over, set up the holiday, set up the boss, and the recommended scoring metrics. Now remember, you can always change this if you don't like to. If you don't like it, you can always change it, set up the days, and even initialize for you. So it's initialized, we are ready to run. Okay, so now look at your scoring metrics. It has been set up for you. 4 of that: retail sales, net profit, space utilization, and gross profit margin. You can change it if you like to, because that is just to help you set up and help you teach, right? You can further configure it if you like to, and then you can go on to the next course and next course and next course until you're done. And this is the final course, which is the 14 modules, the 13 modules all in play. Okay, and if you look at this, you will get to this point, and this involves all the modules with all the flow here. Okay, it may look very, very complex now, but if you do the step-by-step from 102, 103, 104, and so on, you should be able to get to this point easily. Okay, let's run the course. All right, so that is the new course wizard. Hope you like it. Thank you.